In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert a purchase order to a bill in Xero. This is really useful when you've already raised a purchase order for a supplier and now need to turn that into an actual bill you can approve and pay. We'll go step by step on screen and I'll explain what's happening as we go so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, open your browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one business in Xero. You'll usually see the organization name at the top of the screen, and you can switch if needed before continuing. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, I'll show you how to navigate to your purchase orders. Look towards the main menu and click on Purchases. Depending on your Xero layout, this might be under the business menu or shown directly as purchases, but the wording will be similar. This area is where Xero keeps all of your purchasing activity, including bills, purchase orders, and related reports. After you click Purchases, you'll see a list of options. Here, click on Purchase Orders. This takes you to a page that shows all your purchase orders, usually grouped by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, or approved. If you have a lot of them, you can use the filters or search bar to quickly find the specific purchase order you want to convert. Next, select and click the purchase order you'd like to turn into a bill. Take a moment to check you've opened the correct one by reviewing the supplier name, the items or services listed, the quantities, and the prices. It's always a good idea to confirm that the purchase order matches what you actually received from the supplier before converting it. With the purchase order open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with three dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Click on those three dots to reveal some extra actions you can take with this purchase order. From the menu that appears, click Copy To. This is Xero's way of letting you reuse the information in your purchase order without having to retype everything. It saves time and reduces the chance of errors, especially if the order has multiple line items. When you click Copy To, you'll see a few options for where you can copy this information. Here, choose Bill. This tells Xero that you want to take all the details from the purchase order and use them to create a supplier bill. Xero will now open a new bill screen, pre-filled with the supplier details, line items, quantities, and pricing taken directly from that purchase order. Before finalizing, review the new bill carefully. Check that the quantities match what you actually received, update any prices if needed, and confirm the dates and account codes. When you're happy with everything, click Create Draft. This saves the bill as a draft instead of approving it straight away, giving you or your team a chance to double check it later or follow your normal approval process. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully converted a purchase order into a bill in Xero, keeping your records consistent and saving yourself from entering the same information twice.